Hey guys, welcome back to OBTOYS. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my custom Godzilla X. And I call it Godzilla X because it's a combination, a hybrid between the 1998 Godzilla and the Godzilla of today. So we're going to go ahead and be using one of these Mattel dinosaurs and a few other Mattel parts as well, and this Godzilla figure. And yeah, enjoy the show. We're going to put this together and see how it turns out. Also, if this is the first time you're visiting my channel, I love working with blacklight and glow-in-the-dark paints, so make sure you stick around to see what happens when I turn out the lights. Alright guys, I'm going to sit back and let you watch my process, and I'll check back with you in a bit. If you guys are enjoying the video so far, be sure to smash that like button for me right now. Also, if you're not subscribed yet to the channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that button and follow along in the fun. Alright guys, I'm just about finished here. I have a few more little details to add to this thing, but I'm not going to make you wait around much longer. I'm going to go ahead and skip to the final results. But before we do, we always got to go back to where we started. And here we go. So what do you guys think? Do you like it? Let me know down in the comments below. Alright guys, I'm about to show you what this thing looks like under the Blacklight and glow-in-the-dark paint. But before we do, I want to make sure everyone knows I have an online toy store called shopobtoys.com. We've added hundreds of toys in the past few weeks, and also some holiday items and a few of my own customs I've put on there for sale for the very first time. So be sure to check that out and help out the channel. Really appreciate all your support. Alright guys, time to turn out the lights. Here we go. I have over 150 other customs on the channel here, so if you haven't seen everything, be sure to check out the playlist above. Well guys, that brings us to the end of another video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did putting it together for you. Also, be sure to check out my Teespring page and help support the channel. Got all sorts of products there for you guys, like t-shirts and sweatshirts, posters, stickers. We even have some jigsaw puzzles there as well. Also, I wanted to give a special thanks to all my OBTOYS members. Really appreciate all the support you guys have been giving the channel. If you want to become a member, click on the link above. Alright guys, like this video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, OBTOYS out.